Hi.
Hi. You should use this song as your intro.
Time out. Do you want to sit in the front? Because I'm not good. I don't like cameras.
Good morning. That's literally Good morning. I'm a new vlogger.
America.
I'm a new
It's Ashton Bacon.
Okay. We went to the beach and we took some pictures. We woke up really early. We woke up at my sister woke up at 5:30. I woke up right before 6.
I woke up at 2:45, 3:45, 4:45, and 5:45.
She was afraid of like oversleeping, which was my problem too. So we woke up and then we went to I went to her house at 6:30, and then we went from her house to the beach. We got to the beach around, what time did we get to the beach?
Like 7:30.
7:30ish, which the sunset was at like 7:29. The sunrise was at 7:29. So we made it like just in time to get really good pictures, and I'll insert them right here. This is Ashton Bacon.
Follow my channel.
I'll link her channel down below. This is my sister. Lacey would be here, but she's kind of a little late. In fact, where is she?
These are really...
We're waiting for Lacey to get here, so we're gonna call her to see where she's at.
I'm about to be to the bridge. Which beach are you guys at?
Where at? I'm pretty sure this is Main Beach. You know the one...
Like my definition of main beach, like the one that has like the little skate park and all by it.
We're by the sandbar. We're parked at the sandbar, so just put the sandbar into your phone, and we're parked in that parking lot.
I know where you're at. I'm just gonna buy you. I know like exactly where you should be.
Okay, there's an empty spot right next to us, so...
I'll see you guys then.
Okay,
Bye. Hello. Okay,
Sorry.
where are we going for lunch?
Are
Breakfast,
we getting
whatever.
Brunch at 8:30? I kind of want to... I don't know. Can we be basic and go to Beach Diner?
Is it expensive?
Like on Sadler.
Is it like expensive and the food's not that great?
I hope that's not expensive.
I mean, okay. Well, maybe... I don't know. It's mixed reviews, so maybe... I don't know where you guys want to go. We could go to the Aloha Bagel in Delhi. Finally.
Do you guys want to go there too? Well, because I want food.
I don't know.
Oh, Beach Diner. I know where you're talking about.
Oh my god.
So I guess we can all go there?
Yeah.
Okay, we're off to breakfast.
Yay.
Bless you.
I'm so excited to go back to the beach because I feel like I can actually get tan today. Yeah, he was really chill.
We gotta go back.
Why?
I left my flip-flops.
Where? Oh my gosh.
Well, sorry.
On above special.
Did you get it?
Okay, we just finished breakfast. Food review.
It was pretty good, but I felt like I could have made the same exact thing for a lot cheaper at home.
Sorry, Nat was biting me.
really disappointed in myself.
So we went to the beach, obviously, and then we came to Chick-fil-A. And, you know, obviously you need money to pay for Chick-fil-A. And people nowadays normally pay with a card. But someone doesn't have a card because they kind of lost it.
I did not lose it. I misplaced it.
She misplaced it
I
in the
bought
ocean.
coffee with it this morning, and then I put it in my jacket pocket, I believe. And then I had set my stuff up really far on the shore, and then this huge wave came, and like high tide started coming, and basically like knocked all of my stuff, like got everything of mine wet. Like my whole entire jacket was soaked, and I think it took my card out with it because I haven't been able to find it since. I called both restaurants that we went to today.
Yeah.
And none of them have any missing cards, and my card hasn't been used anywhere besides the coffee place this morning. So the ocean took it, and I don't know how to tell my mom.
Either that or it's in the car somewhere. Because we were looking for the card in a tight spot.
So many times it cannot be in there. It's like I just know that it's in the ocean. That's the only place it could have gone. It's somewhere.
She's a little stressed right now.
Just a little, teeny tiny. So excited to go home and tell my mom about this. And I'm going out of town tomorrow for 3 days on a school trip. And yeah. So
Just
I
keep
kinda need my
Ashton
card.
in your prayers. Just you know. Because just because. Oh my gosh!
I hope it was recording. Yeah. We'll see what happens. I'll keep the group chat updated.
Is that? Oh look, that's Lacey.
Oh my gosh.
Look, Lacey. Bye, Lacey. Oh my god.
Didn't see us.
There's Lacey. Can she see us?
Do a little honk. Wow, this camera is really like good quality. I mean, kind of too much good quality.
Too much good quality.
Blur that out. Why do I have 4 headlines at 15? Oh, because my debit card got lost in the ocean. Yay. I have something up my nose. That's not fun. Okay.
I have something all over. My skin was reacting to something weird. Do you see this thing here? Is it right here? It's
Yeah.
somewhere on my head. And then I got something right here. Then I got something like on the side of my face. And I don't know what it is.
It's gonna be pretty. Hey,
I'm obnoxious. I'm
that's the
sorry.
vlog.